सूचना केवल हमारे विचार हैं, वित्तीय सलाह नहीं। निर्णय लेने से पहले खुद शोध करें। किसी भी लाभ या हानि के लिए हम उत्तरदायी नहीं हैं।
Hello viewers, here is today's update on the latest news and order book updates. Jost Engineering Company Limited has received a letter of intent (LOI) from Transmission Corporation of Andhra Pradesh Limited for supply of 21 NOS 12 kV automatic capacitance and TAN Delta test kit worth approx Rs 6,19,50,000/. Vivin Limited has been awarded a work order for supply, installation and commissioning of biometric face and iris engines including on-site maintenance support and management at Center for Development of Advanced Computing, CDAC, Kolkata, West Bengal, by the issuer entity. The total value of the project for 3 years is Rs 27,95,000,000/27 crores 985 lakhs only / including GST. The time period for the execution of the work order is 3 years. Bondada Engineering Limited has secured an order from MS Telangana Power Generation Corporation Limited for setting up of 100 MWh battery energy storage systems in Telangana for on-demand usage under tariff-based global competitive bidding with viability gap funding (VGF) under Build Own Operate BOO at Shankarpalli, Telangana 400/220 kV substation of Transco. Railtel Corporation of India Limited has received a work order from Office of the Inspector General of Police Technical Services for supply, installation and maintenance of integrated security solution for edge devices to AP Police Department worth 25 crore 12,94,570 Indian rupees including tax. Artifact Projects Limited has been awarded a project for consultancy services for preparation of detailed project report for construction of bypasses in the state of Punjab. The contracted fees for the project is Rs 40,74,225/ excluding GST and the time period for execution is 300 days. CFF Fluid Control Limited has received an order from Majago Dock Shipbuilders Limited for the supply of spares for 04 shipset of MD of P-17A, totaling to approximately 6.58 crore, including tax. The company has received a letter of acceptance from Bihar State Educational Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited for the establishment of ICT labs and smart classrooms across various colleges in multiple districts of Bihar, with a total value of 12.36 crore inclusive of all applicable taxes. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.
स्टॉक लेटेस्ट न्यूज अपडेट के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें।